I am representing my numbers as x1, x2, and x3, and I'm assuming I'm writing them in increasing order, even though two of them could be the same, or even all three could be the same. We don't know. All right, and we're trying to figure out if the mean, and that's where you sum them and divide by 3, is equal to the median. And in my case, the median would be x of 2. Now, another way to look at this, let's multiply both sides by 3 and clear our fractions, and you're left with x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals 3x2. And then subtract x of 2 from both sides, and you get x of 1 plus x of 3 equal 2x2. So this is equivalent to this, okay? All right, let's see if we can show that. Look at clue 1. The range is where you take the largest number, which would be x3 in my case, minus x1, minus the smallest number. The range of the three numbers is equal to twice the difference, between the greatest and the median. And that would be x3, the greatest, minus the median. That would be x3 minus x2. Now, is that statement equivalent to this or this? Well, let's see. So that's x of 3 minus x of 1 equal 2x of 3 minus 2x of 2. And we can subtract x of 3 from both sides. And that leaves me an x of 3. And let's add 2x2 to both sides. 2x2 minus x1. Is that equivalent? Yes. Because if you look here, if you subtract x of 1 from both sides, you get 2x2 minus x1. And that's equivalent. So clue 1 works. Now let's look at clue 2. Clue 2 says the sum of the three numbers, that would be x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. The sum of the three numbers is equal to 3 times one of the numbers. I'll just call that, I don't know which one. It could be x of 1, x of 2, or x of 3. And look, that is the same thing as this. So clue 2 works as well. Answer is D.